Welcome back guys to another exciting episode of our channel. You are super excited to play the Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag, but when you try to open the game you face these errors, and suddenly all your excitement become down. But don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit that subscribe button to stay updated about upcoming videos. Now without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, download this RAR file. Don't worry, you will get the link in the description box. Once you download it, simply extract it and type the password 123. Now open the folder and search DX setup. Simply double click on it, click on yes if you see this pop up. Here accept the agreement, then click on next. Again click on next. If you see this windows, then click on skip. Now wait for installation of DirectX. Once the installation complete, simply click on finish. Now let's open our game to see whether our error are fixed or not. And here you can see the game open without any error. So I hope you guys will like this videos, and if you have any question or feedback, then feel free to comment down below. I will try my best to solve your problem. Have a nice day. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying and playing the games.